Have you seen these three words before? Rain, sleet, snow. I think we all know what rain is. It's when water falls from the sky. The same as snow. It's really cold rain that falls from the sky. And sleet, well, it's in the middle. It's very wet snow. In some languages, it might be translated as cold snow. It might be translated as wet snow. Sleet.